Jetzt fahren wir zu ihm da, gell? Der Dr. Phil. Da muss ich wieder die Scheiße erledigen. Gehen wir wieder Dirty Harry. So, mein lieber die City. Wird einmal wieder da, ha? Wie spät haben wir's? 4:30. Was haben wir jetzt? Oh Gott, im Puff. Ja, das Honkers. Das Puff bei Honkers. Moment. Da packe ich sie, damit er sich auskennt. Da schaut er diesen Penner.
Hey, Tommy, check this out. 7-horse, 7-race,
Hey,
Joe
Phil.
What? Hey, pal, what's going on?
Not too much. How are you?
I'm good. Want to walk and talk?
Sure.
Tommy, give me a call if my big buddy calls. Tell him I went out to get some fresh air.
No problem.
Ridiculous! I'm a grown man walking around like a chump. I'm sorry about this.
Hey, no problem.
So you're a friend of Ray's?
A friend? No, I do some work for him.
No, I mean a friend.
I don't understand. Whatever you say. He's a slime ball, but he pays.
Sure, pal, sure. Listen to me. The thing about Ray is, he's a good earner. He talks a lot of shit, but he's a good earner. Dabish.
He's a rat doing an impression of a man.
That's pretty good.
Phil! Phil!
What? What do you want?
Mr. Boss said you gotta head down to docks. Emergency. Said you'd understand.
Ah, shit, it's 3 days early. Man on the meal, what am I gonna do?
What's the problem?
Nico, I'm gonna have to take a chance with you, pal.
Okay?
Come on, let's go. Okay, listen, there's a truck waiting for us. It's under the overpass off Catskill Avenue. Drive us there.
Jetzt fahren wir zum Truck, gell? Na gut, fahren wir heute. Wenn der Mund.
You scan this thing for bugs?
No, but we can be pretty sure it's clean. Chill out.
All right. It's just that if we get caught on this one, you and me is going down for a long time. And that means that certain people is gonna assume we're whacked, which means we'll get whacked.
You're working with the wrong people if you expect them to whack you if you go inside. Where's the trust, Phil?
It's about survival. If someone who knew what I knew got flipped, then the whole organization will down. Whacking someone who catches some heavy time is just an insurance policy. And it don't help that not everyone in the organization is pulling in the same direction.
You mean that someone in the family would see someone else going inside as an opportunity to get ahead?
You're a smart guy. Anyways, excuse me if I want to be absolutely sure that we got our asses covered.
You're excused. What are we doing?
We're taking a load of product off of some Russians the enchiladas have been dealing with. You was helping those Irish idiots cause some beef between the enchiladas and their Albanian muscle a while back. Since that little love affair ended, they've been getting this Russian guy to supply them with sea. We just got the heads up that a shipment has arrived in Liberty City by boat.
That's what the talk about the docks was.
Exactly. We're taking the sea off the Russians so they can't deliver it to the enchiladas.
Sounds straightforward. We take the coke so that the Russians and the enchiladas have a falling out. And we make some money in the process by selling the stuff. Easy.
Shit, you sound like you're saying all this just so it's clear on the wiretap. For the record, I don't know what this man is talking about. We're rehearsing a scene for an acting class. I work in waste management. Everything we're saying is fiction. It has no bearing in the real world. Watch it, Nico.
Ja, ich würde sagen, es wird eine bleihaltige Begegnung mit den Russen, gell?
Alright, this is the truck.
Was ist das, ein Truck? Hätte nicht gemeint. So, wir steigen mal da ein, oder wie? Und dann fahren wir zur Bootswerft auf Charge Island. Na gut. Er labert, ich fahre.
Why we need this truck? It must be a shitload of coke we're taking.
There should be a lot of sugar, but that ain't the only reason why we're taking this truck. Some of my boys stole it from the enchiladas this morning. It's the one the Russians is expecting to come pick up the sea. We should be able to turn up and have them loaded up for us. Then we drive away, no questions asked.
I don't know if anyone will give away a load of coke without asking any questions. Even Russian coke runners ain't that stupid.
Yeah, sure, this is just plan A. It's the one Jimmy P worked out. You and me know it ain't gonna work. And that the only way we're gonna be able to leave that place with the sugar is if all the Russians in there are dead.
So why don't we use a more subtle approach? Not just drive right into the middle of it.
Because these is the orders and we gotta follow them. That's the way things work. You ain't gonna be happy about everything you get told to do, are you?
You're the boss. It ain't like I'm working for free.
No, you ain't, and I ain't neither. That's why we gotta at least try to do what we're told to do. You're gonna learn that there ain't much in this life that you got control of. Whether you're putting yourself in harm's way because that's the way the skipper wants it done, or you're staying away from your kids because of a stupid court order and a malicious bitch of an ex-wife. There ain't that much control in anything.
I've been around long enough to know that there is some things that we don't have a choice about. But there's other times where you got to look at something and make a decision for yourself. I can't follow every order I'm given.
Yeah, well, maybe you're right. Maybe you ain't. I don't know.
Oida, labert der was weg, ha? Eigentlich ist es mal in der Zeit, da wir diesen Dimitri ausschütten, gell? Der ist überfällig.
Is my face all right?
Alter, geh weg da. Ich hab's mal wieder eilig. So, wo möchte er hin? Das ist Charge Island. Alter, geh weg da. Bin ich dran.
You're gonna pay for that, motherfucker!
Stupid malaka.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
$5.
Thanks.
Ja gut. Die Kohle kriegen wir wieder rein, gell? Wenn wir erfolgreich sind. Gottes Willen. Bloß nicht runterfallen. Ja, wie schaut's denn aus? Mir kommt irgendwie der Verdacht, gell, dass die Mission kompliziert wird. Ich meine, ich habe eine schlechte Erinnerung.
This is it. Keep a cool head and everything should be fine.
I just see red, and then things happen.
Hey, buddy, we're here to pick up the shipment.
I don't speak English. Fuck off!
Hey, amigo, let's make this easy. I just want to give the stuff to my boss and go home.
I don't let anyone in here until I get the word. There's something wrong about you. Get out of the truck real slow.
Nico, looks like we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Shoot these commies!
Oh, die Kommunisten. Ja gut. So, mit dieses Fass davon. Oder geh in Deckung.
I'm gonna shut your shit up forever.
Moment.
Please.
Ja gut, Freunde. Jetzt machen wir ernst. So, jetzt ist kein Benzinfass, oder wie? Geht da oben, wie? Da braucht ihr Hilfe. Holt der Rest zusammen. so, mit dieser Nachwuchsrambo. Ja gut, der ist wickert. Der schießt doch. So, Rostleffe. Wo? Was? Ja so, mein Sohn hingehaut. Der arme Hund. Was haben wir da? Hätten wir Medikit, gell? Bitte geh weg. Leg das. Da bin ich gleich wieder ein bisschen fitter. Ich darf mir sagen, das war ein Facelifting. Der ist schon da vorne. Konnte nicht warten, ha? Ja, warte mal. Da wird er geschossen.
You glad you messed with me?
Wer schießt da? Was? Jetzt gehen wir zu diesem Koksboot. Das ist Koksboot. Moment. Oh Gott. Aber wie schaut denn aus?
We're heading to the docks in North Holland. Move out.
Folge Bell. Na gut. Ich folge. Wahrscheinlich kriegen wir gleich eine Gesellschaft, oder? Da die sagen.
Damn! Looks like these guys really want to hold on to the cook.
Beschützen. Wer beschützt mich? Gottes Willen. Jetzt habe ich ihm den Schädel abrasiert. Wieder reißt zusammen. Trifft noch nicht.
I think we got the cocaine to ourselves now, Phil.
Phil, warte mal. So schnell bin ich nicht. Ich muss das schießen auch noch. Aber schaut aus mit dem Übergabeort. Da vorne oder wir? Oh Gott. So, mein, weißt du, wo er hinfährt oder wie? Er fährt da kreuz und quer durch die Gegend. Wahrscheinlich gibt es gleich wieder Gesellschaft. Ja und? Steig aus. Moment. Oder steig auf.
You handled yourself real good back there. Kept your head. That's a valuable trait.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you later, Alligator. Jo, was ist denn das da? Ein Moped. Sehr gut. Und jetzt haben wir 5 Auftraggeber schon. 6. Geil. Ein Haufen Arbeit.